Okay, this is on a 2014 Infiniti Q50. We went ahead and installed a Clifford alarm 3105 with the Viper Smart Start module. Basically, they busted out his window and stole a bunch of stuff out of his vehicle. So he wanted to get the alarm with the notification and the GPS. You know, the guy went all out on it. So the way it works is we also gave him a proximity sensor. So if anybody gets close to the vehicle, it gives you a warning chirp, you know, to back off. It works great from both sides. And then basically, yeah, if they bang on any other windows, the alarm will fire off, flash your lights. Comes with the app, you know, you can arm it, disarm it from here. Gives you the little, you can do it from your app anywhere in the world, or you can do it from the remote when you're close to the vehicle. See? That unlocks your doors. And then if you want to lock the car back up, lock right now. And then it's also got the trunk release. Oh, pop the trunk. Yep. It's got the blue LED light right on the top to let you know when the alarm is on. That antenna you see in the top has nothing to do with the GPS unit. The Viper Smart Start module, that's just the antenna to give you range in the remote control. Everything you do from the app, you can do it from the key fob. Arm, disarm, pop the trunk, and panic button. Yeah, that's it. He's got 2 layers of security. He's got the shock sensor in case they break the window, and then he wanted the proximity. So in the middle of the night, if somebody just kind of comes here and starts looking in, it will give him that little warning. You know, and let the guy know that, you know, the vehicle has a security system. Which he's gonna know anyway. He's gonna look at the blue LED, the light inside the vehicle at night. He's gonna know that the car has an aftermarket. I happen to have an Apple Watch. I just wanted to do the recording how it looks. Go ahead and on the system. We'll give him the chirp now. Go ahead and disarm it. Yeah, you can do this anywhere in the world. You're gonna be in Alaska, and go ahead and pop the trunk. Should pop the trunk right now. All right, and then he'll get the notification if the alarm fires off. Show him the GPS. Yeah, you got the GPS here. You know, of course you have the app on the phone that is big, but you know, if you have your phone in your pocket and you want to get into the car, you can do it from your watch anywhere in the world. It's pretty nice, little gadget there. Yeah, that Viper Smart Start install here, Miami, Florida, by Auto Launch Specialist in this Q50. Our numbers are 305-298-4814, and we thank you for watching this video.